Hey, do you know where Krog Street Tunnel is? No, that way? That, can you put it in my GPS for me? Oh, you're not from here? Oh, I'm so sorry. Have a great day, all right? What's going on today, Bread Gang? How are you guys doing today? I'm gonna jump right into the video. We are exploring Atlanta, downtown Atlanta, in lifted trucks today. I have a very special guest with me today.
One lifted truck, one lifted truck.
One lifted truck, one kind of lifted truck. You see, I've got
JW coming down through here, man. I don't know how you.
It's sketch. No way. I get a little worried sometimes. I just got to put my worries aside and just keep driving. I've got the hoodie tied in sport mode today. It's cold as shit. We're ready to go jump into something ridiculous. Driving a lifted truck in Atlanta. You guys have seen my videos before. You guys know it's a task. It's a task, and we're gonna have some fun today. Go find some cool picture spots and just see what we can get into. Lifted trucks in downtown Atlanta. Get excited. Stay tuned.
That's what I'm talking about.
Who is this? I don't know. So we tried to go to the first spot. Oh, I've got some peach rings too. I love peach rings. Peach rings. You know what? You know what? First of all, they like peach rings. The sun, gotta get out of the sun real quick. Peach rings here. Look, I'm gonna pass those off to you because you know what? Because you know what? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, I got two of them. And this one's a different brand too.
What is that one?
This one's actually, it's called peach rings. This one's actually called peach rings.
Oh.
So
this one's Haribo?
Haribo peaches?
Just peaches.
Just peaches. This one's peach rings. He's got peaches. You try those, you tell me how those are, and I'll start eating some of these and we'll see how those are. And we're in the peach state. This is the peach state, right? Georgia peach. Georgia peach state, baby. Are those good?
Got a good one.
Oh, these aren't even like rings. They're just like little, they're just like little circles.
Here, kid.
That's not bad. Damn, that's good. The next spot we get to, we'll crack these open. And we'll try these out. Damn, that's pretty good. I didn't show you guys the spot that we're at. So
sketch.
I'm gonna step on one tire, step on the other. Oh. So this is the spot that we're at. You got like railroad tracks on this side and some like abandoned buildings over here. And then some like really nice construction this way. It's a really weird spot that we're at right now. We're gonna go find some trouble to get into. No, not too much trouble. This is Atlanta. Crazy shit goes down. You will get robbed. Gonna go have some fun. Peach rings, man. Gotta love it. So I don't know if you guys can tell all the colorful, like this wall. So we pulled up so Merc can take pictures on this wall. And there's like dudes walking up and down and selling cigarettes on the side of the street over here. And like, he's trying to get me to get out of the truck and take pictures. And I'm like, Merc, get the hell on, let's go. No, not here. Let's go. Spot number 2. Let's get in and put it in drive. Let's get out of here. Look at this. There's cops over there. Nope. Let's go. You guys know that I'm only like 13 years old, and my dad bought this truck for me. And look, I still got like, that hurts, man. That thing hurts. Little, sheesh. I don't know where he's got me going. I'm just kind of, I don't even have the address in my GPS. I'm just kind of driving behind him. This is gonna get real interesting real quick. I saw somebody selling cigarettes. I thought there was a drug deal going down in front of me. I was kind of excited. My adrenaline starts going a little bit. People actually get robbed out here in Atlanta. So if I'm joking around and stuff, you know, it's because stuff really happens. Like people get followed home and their vehicles get stolen. That's common practice around here. So just wish us luck. That's all I can say. All right, spot number 2. Just pulled up. What does this say? It says Atlanta, can I read? Atlanta Contemporary. And then it's got it upside down on that side as well. That's kind of cool. Got the sunset behind us over there if it'll. I like this, yeah.
It's kind of cool. It's simple, and then it's got it upside down. It's kind of cool.
It's contemporary.
It is contemporary. Look at that.
I might have a buddy that's with a Hellcat that's willing to come out and take pictures with us.
Bet. Does he know spots?
Oh, it's yeah, he's from here, so he knows all the spots.
Man, if he knows the spots, we need to follow him around.
Ooh, I don't know. He gets into some stuff. He's gonna be a caffeine and octane tomorrow though.
I've already told my viewers I support the Second Amendment. I'm not scared to carry mine with me.
Hey, the only gun I got is the one in between my legs, and we all know
really?
that ain't for everybody.
Yeah, look
so
at these little pea shooters.
that one ain't for everybody. So, so we've got spot number 2 under our belt. We're gonna get a couple pictures. This one's a lot better than the last one. Not as much traffic. Definitely not as much traffic. The last one was pretty sketch trying to get into it. But I do have a special guest coming to the video. He's on the way right now. He has a Hellcat, and I think if you guys know him and you watch his Instagram,
yeah, he's got a nice Hellcat.
He's got it's the only two-tone Hellcat that I've ever seen in person.
Actually, I think I've posted him on Never Satisfied Builds and on my Black Lives Matter page. And the only reson why I posted him on Black Lives Matter because half the car's black.
Half the car is black, yes.
He's converting.
My tires and my windows are very black, so I mean, it count close enough, you know. But he likes to do burnouts and donuts, and he knows all the great spots. So we're gonna get him in the video today, and we're gonna keep it rolling. So it's on to spot number 3. Spot number 1 and 2 have been pretty solid, but I think we can definitely do a little bit better.
A few moments later.
One thing about living in Tallahassee my whole life is you've never been able to experience any kind of skyline, and this is honestly one of the coolest things I've ever been able to experience, is ride around and just see all of Atlanta like this. I mean, this is so freaking cool to me, just to be able to see all the cool buildings, all the colorful buildings. You got those over there, and then you got a couple of them over here, and then there's another cool one that's straight ahead over there. I mean, this is just such a cool experience. This is one of the first times I've ever actually gone and explored this side of Atlanta. I've always been over there next to the buildings, so it's really cool to be able to get this kind of view. I'm sure it's hard to tell, but we've got the Coke factory right in front of us here, and then right around the corner to the right, I believe, is the aquarium. I see a big old Ferris wheel in front of us. I'd really love to go down that way, but all this traffic right here is definitely a no-go for me. So I think, but now that I look at it, the traffic this way is pretty bad where we're going to, so it really doesn't matter. I have no idea where we're at. Merc is right there, not this car obviously, but the one in front of him. I really hope he knows where he's going, because I have no idea where we're at, even though I kind of live here now. I can see, oh look, Key Glocks mixtape on a billboard right there. That's kind of cool to be able to see that. Got some cool buildings over here. This is why I don't like Atlanta. Look at this traffic. Oh no, I can't even see Merc. This traffic is not for me. Oh man, I hope I don't lose him. There's really no better time to tell you guys while I'm waiting to go to this next spot. I do have the Boost Auto Parts tow mirrors in this box right there. Right there, that box right there. Some of you have seen it on Instagram. I don't think any of you, I haven't said anything on YouTube officially yet. I do have the tow mirrors with the chrome caps. I got the LED switchbacks with the smoked lenses, and I did get the high output reverse lights and defrost, I believe. So I'm gonna get those installed sometime this week. I'm not sure exactly when. I will be doing a full install for any of you that are curious, but they are in the box right back there. I'm super excited to get those on. Huge shout out to Boost Auto Parts for partnering up with me to get an awesome product on the truck and to be able to review it for you guys. So we're trying to find spot number 3. I don't know where the hell he's got me going. I can't see anything because of my windshield tint, so I'm kind of just going with the flow right now, but hopefully we can find this spot soon, and it'll be something cool. Spot number 3. This one's probably the coolest of the spots. So you got the Vortex restaurant down here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a little dog holding a skull. That's not gonna focus, so you're definitely not gonna see that. Well, we should walk down there and just kind of take a look around. I feel like it'd be kind of cool. Find a parking spot. Well, we can do that in a minute. This one's actually pretty cool because you've got a bunch of, different, what is it, an elephant up here with some, I have no idea what this stuff says.
I have no idea.
But then you got an emoji nipple something over here.
We probably need to edit that one out.
Yeah, I might have to edit that out. You guys can see that a little bit, but that's kind of interesting.
For a second.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it in there because it's cool. But I mean, cool picture spot for Merc's truck. That's ridiculous. That is spray paint.
Is that not the coolest?
Is that really spray paint? Holy crap!
Yeah, that's spray paint.
Whole wall over here. So that, honestly, this is one of the cooler spots that I've ever seen in Atlanta. I love being able to come do this stuff. Something I really look forward to when I moved here was being able to just come and explore Atlanta. This big, huge, almost famous city that I get a chance to live in for the foreseeable future. So I think what we need to do on the channel is start a series, start a playlist maybe, of exploring Atlanta in a lifted truck. I think that needs to be a new playlist,
be a good playlist,
a new
man,
series on the channel, right?
Especially, dude.
Because you can do part 1, part 2, part 100. I mean, it can just be a series.
I gotta ask you.
Because every time you go explore, you're gonna find something new.
Did you record going through the alley?
The alley? What the?
The alley that I took you through?
I explore. I some of it. Most of these people know. I'm like, where the hell is this guy taking me? I had no idea.
Taking myself
I had no idea. I was a little worried for a second, but if you guys like this kind of stuff, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave some comments below, and let me know if you guys want to see more parts of this series. I think I'm gonna keep doing this. It'll be new people. Obviously, every time Merc comes, we're gonna come do this.
Definitely.
Just go explore some new places. But if you guys want to see,
Cadillac wide as hell.
I hope so. I hope so. If you guys like this, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Like I said, I got old folks staring at me over here for filming in the parking lot. There was a guy in a cake. I think we need to walk up there and film a little bit.
Well, I mean, I got 3 kids.
Yeah, Merc is blocking off the street like we're freaking the president right now. What is wrong with this dude? We're just going to take pictures, Merc. What the hell? So that was, obviously it's a new day, it's light outside. We've got a couple other people with us today. This is part 2 of the same video of exploring Atlanta in a lifted truck. So we just went downtown where we went yesterday with the naked girl on the wall, and that was really crowded. So we're actually, I'm supposed to turn right here actually. Oh shit. Whoa! We're turning right here, I guess. Okay, all right. Okay, that came out of nowhere. I should have been looking at the GPS. I don't know where the hell we're going. We're going to some tunnel, but that makes me cringe. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. If you guys want to see more, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. I don't like this. That's a cool spot. Look, the railroad tracks. Holy fuck. I don't know where we're at right now. What the fuck?
It's your worst nightmare.
I'm kind of lost. Yeah,
worst nightmare, speed bumps.
Damn it. Yeah, we're definitely lost.
Nobody's following us?
Yeah, nobody's behind us.
Oh, fuck.
Look at the freaking dead end right here.
Dude, just go on the railroad tracks.
Off-roading? We can do some off-roading
Oh,
today?
fuck.
Oh, yeah. Do some off-roading today. Do not enter. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna turn around.
That wide bow tie off-roads?
Off-roads?
For once?
For once, yeah. That's what we just went through. Don't call me an off-roader or anything, but... Okay, I'm gonna figure out where the hell we're at. I'll see you guys when we get to the next spot. I'm like...
Alright, boys, we're officially lost.
Yeah, it took us down a road and it dead-ended. And now I don't know where we're at. Look, it just...
We're the same fucking road.
Oh my goodness. I don't know where the hell we are. Just send me your location so I can try and come that way. I'm gonna go to the Best Buy across the street. Excuse me. Do you know where Krog Street Tunnel is? No? That way? You're not from here? Okay, all right. I'm sorry. Have a great day. Ford owners. They just, man, they don't have any sense of direction.
Still lost and lost.
The guy in the Ford back there just had no idea where we are. So.
Gosh. Those F-150s have a new model, I guess.
I think we found this a little abandoned house with some construction. This is a better spot than any. We're kind of lost. I don't know where anybody's at. I'm gonna end the video off right there and try and find some people. So definitely coolest spot of the day. It's kind of sketch, so I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. As always, let's get this bread.
Get the spread.
Is it gonna focus on me, is it? Say hello. Freedom _ F-150. Follow my man right here. We're not gonna do that today. Is it really that wide?
Dude, it's pretty damn wide.